Hello everyone and herzlich willkommen, most welcome to my German video blog. First, some words about myself. My name is Marcus and I live in Tenerife in the Canary Islands in Spain, Teneriffa. Here I work as a language teacher and I do so in my academy. My academy is called World ABC. I teach German online, and so I actually work at university, and so I help a lot of people. The good question is why I'm doing, warum video blog, why I'm doing this video blog. Okay, first thing, over the last decade I collected a lot of experience, Erfahrung, and now I really want to share this with the whole world, so that people understand a little bit more what's the best way to learn a language. No? And this is the second point. I want to help people, helfen. No? What is the best way to help people? Just do a video blog so everybody can listen to it or see it or watch it, and it's completely free. In my video blog I want to cover different topics. Themen. I will talk about vocabulary, Vokabeln. I will talk about German grammar, Grammatik. I will talk about general things about learning a language, Sprache. And I will talk about German culture, Kultur. And I want to do it a little bit more interactive. What does it mean? It means you decide what I will talk about. So for my first video where I will explain something to you, you can choose of 3 topics. First one is, what are the 2 big secrets to learn a language efficiently? So 2 Geheimnisse. Number 2 is, how to solve the article problem in German. Das Artikelproblem. And number 3, how should you translate? Wie übersetzen? From German into English and from English into German. So I have some really good advice on this as well. How can you tell me which topic I should talk about? So just leave a comment on YouTube, leave a comment on my website, send me an email, leave a comment on Facebook, what else? I will collect them and then I decide what I will do. Okay. But I also will do another thing. Another thing is called challenge. It's a kind of German challenge. You have to do something and you have to talk some German. And if you succeed, you can gain some free material, no? Gratis Material. But you will see soon what I'm talking about. What does it mean to gain some free material? On my website, I developed a new method about teaching. And I have actually 2 courses. It's a basic course and advanced course. In the basic course, you can get to a A2 level. And in the advanced course, you can get to a B2 level. You can check it out for free. Interesting method. No, I put all my passion in this, all my love, and I really want that people tell me what they think about. No, and maybe I can even improve everything what I have. Okay, thank you very much. No, to take a look. And as well, I give private video lessons on Skype or on any video chat what is available. And so those things, I will share with you if you win in the challenge. Okay, so I will give away some free stuff. In general, this video blog, I don't put announcements on YouTube. No, I just want that you see the movie. I don't get anything from it. No, and so please help me subscribe. No, and activate the little bell so that you get every time a message when I release a new video. No, so everything helps. No, it's like, and please also tell me what you're thinking about. Your experience in learning German, and everything related to languages. I'm also interested. I really also want to learn something from you, no, not just you from me. Okay, thank you very much. And my idea is to release one video per week, ein Video pro Woche. And hopefully I can do it, no, because it's like a little bit of work I have to do to release a video, but I think I can do it. No, it's like really, really possible. And yeah, there's one more option. If you want to support the video or to support the channel even more, I will link in the description a little button. So if you want to donate something, you can do this without problem. You don't have to donate, no, you can just watch it for free and enjoy it. Because it's the first video, so if somebody donates even 1 cent, no, I will give away free access to all my courses online. So just feel free to donate something and I will give you something in exchange. No? Yeah, actually that's all for the first video, to explain a little bit what my ideas are, and hopefully we will enjoy it a lot, and you and me will have a really, really good time. So see you soon and thank you very much, and don't forget, 123 Deutsch ist das Beste für euch.